Hello and welcome to Key Study Point. Friends, in this video we will again discuss few questions, around 10 to 12 questions for HPSC mains exam. We'll discuss descriptive questions and also we'll talk about how you can answer them. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So let's start with the first two topics. We'll start from unit first. So in unit first, you know that there are plays. So first play is Sophocles Oedipus Rex. So we'll discuss that play and we'll discuss few questions from the play Oedipus Rex, and apart from that there is another play Abhigan Sakuntalam by Kalidas. So we'll discuss 6-7 questions from that play as well. So we'll discuss these questions in 10 marks or 15 marks. As in our previous video we discussed that there might be questions based on UPSC mains. So in UPSC questions are asked in 5 marks, 10 marks or 15 marks. Sometimes they ask question in 20 marks. But 5 number का question काफ़ी कम पूछा जाता है. They ask 10 marks, 15 marks or 25 marks. So we'll discuss 10 or 15 and later on we'll continue with that, and also we will discuss in 20 or 25 marks questions. Okay, so let's start. First one, from Oedipus Rex. Analyze the character of Oedipus Rex as a tragic hero in Sophocles' Oedipus Rex. There are some simple questions and there are some tricky questions. So you may note down them and you may practice your own writing. Okay, still you are waiting for result, but we can continue with the answer writing. So you may note down these questions and you may practice writing answers, and later on you may send these answers to me. I'll suggest my views on that as well. So first question is, analyze the character of Oedipus Rex as a tragic hero. This might be asked in exam, that you have to analyze Oedipus Rex as Oedipus as a tragic hero. Okay, so it might be asked in 10 marks. Second one, discuss the role of fate and prophecy in shaping the events of Oedipus Rex. Repeating the question, discuss the role of fate and prophecy. You know there is a role of fate and prophecy in that play. So question is asking about that role of fate and prophecy in this play. So you may discuss that. You all know that the whole story is shaped by fate and prophecy. Third question is, examine the theme of blindness and sight in Oedipus Rex, highlighting its significance in the play. Repeating the question, examine the theme of blindness and sight. Okay, in Oedipus Rex, highlighting its significance in the play. So this is the question. It can be asked in 10 marks. So going forward, we'll discuss 3 more questions from that portion where examiner can give you the question in 15 marks category. So first one is, critically evaluate the character of Jocasta in Oedipus Rex, exploring her role in play's tragic unfolding. Here you have to analyze the character of Jocasta. See, while you are analyzing, there are questions based on analyze or assess, evaluate based on Bloom's taxonomy. So before going to the examination, you must know about Bloom's taxonomy, because when you get to know about that particular taxonomy, you come to know that how a question can be answered based on these words: evaluate, analyze, apply, okay, understand, likewise. So I'll suggest you to once look into that Bloom's taxonomy, which is part of curriculum based on those 6 points, especially question papers are set in universities, in colleges, or even in competitive exams. So first question is, critically evaluate the character of Jocasta and Oedipus Rex, exploring her role in the play's tragic unfolding. Okay. Second question, is discuss the dramatic irony in Oedipus Rex, analyzing how it contributes to the play's tension. Okay, so in this question it is little bit tricky. You have to discuss about the irony in Oedipus Rex and how it contributes to play's tension and tragic. Okay, and the next question, examine the theme of truth and knowledge in Oedipus Rex, highlighting their significance in play's exploration of human existence. So these kind of questions need more attention because they are in 2 parts. In part 1 they are asking something else, and in assisting part, in second part, they are asking something else. So you have to be very cautious while writing the answer of these questions. So these are three questions of 15 marks. Now come to the second point, that is Avigyan Sakuntalam by Kalidas. So again we'll discuss three questions of 10 marks, then again three questions of 15 marks. So first one you may note down if you want. Describe the character of Sakuntala in Avigyan Sakuntalam, highlighting her significance in the play. Very easy question. You have to analyze the character Shakuntala. In every play, you must know how to analyze the character, major character. Okay, so questions might be asked from these characters. So first one is very easy question. You have to analyze, you have to describe the character of Shakuntala, highlighting her significance in the play. This is the first one. Second one, analyze the role of nature and the natural world in Avigyan Sakuntalam, exploring its symbolism and theme. As I just mentioned few moments ago, that questions might be asked likewise. In this question they are asking analyze. In some question they might ask evaluate. In some question they might ask apply. Okay, apply your knowledge and explore this that likewise. And in some question they must describe. So there is a difference between these words. That means they want to know some specific answer for those questions, so you have to understand them. So I'll suggest again that before going to the examination, read about Bloom's taxonomy. And third question is discuss the theme of love and separation in Avigyan Sakuntalam, examining its impact on characters. यहाँ लव और सेपरेशन की थीम को डिस्कस करने के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. यू कैन explain, you can describe that theme, love and separation, the play based on that जो major theme है, you have to explore that and write the answer. And 15 marks are questions. First one, critically evaluate the character of Dushyant in Avigyan Sakuntalam, exploring his role in play's exploration of love, duty and responsibility. Here the question asks critically evaluate. So while you are evaluating a character, you might be positive, you might be negative, but you have to be very very cautious while writing the answers, because the best way of evaluating a character or a theme, if it is balanced, so you have to follow that pattern only. Don't apply your brain or your perception or presumptions while writing answers. Okay, so that is considered a best way of writing answer. You may write differently, you may have different point of view, there is nothing wrong in that. And second question of 15 marks from this play, discuss the theme of memory and forgetfulness in Avigyan Sakuntalam, analyzing its significance in the play's narrative and character development. Repeating the question, discuss the theme of memory and forgetfulness in Avigyan Sakuntalam. In first portion, question is asking about theme of memory and forgetfulness, and it is saying discuss, right? Discuss the theme of memory and forgetfulness. So while writing answer, you have to describe that these are the point where this theme match, okay, the question. And in second portion, analyze its significance in play's narrative and character development. Okay, so these are 15 marks questions. And last one, examine the cultural and social context of Avigyan Sakuntalam, highlighting its portrayal of ancient Indian society and values. Again, very very important question, very tricky and important question. It may grab your attention for a while. Examine the cultural and social context of Avigyan Sakuntalam, highlighting its portrayal of Indian ancient society and values. Okay, this is very tricky, very important question, very interesting question. Okay, so this is a collection of 12 descriptive questions that might be asked in HPSC assistant professor exam. So I hope that you would have noted it down in your notebook, and we'll continue this series. We'll make more videos on these type of questions starting from the unit first and as result is declared, we will continue, we will make a group where we can provide answers as well of these questions. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, you may consider to subscribe, and also you may watch more videos, you may explore playlist available on the channel. Thank you.